Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tianjin, a charming city where the Haihe River runs through. Strolling along the Wudadao area, you'll feel as if you're in a European town, and the charm of history lingers among the foreign-style buildings. Board the Tianjin Eye and overlook the scenery on both sides of the Haihe River. With the prosperity of the city in full view, enter the ancient cultural street, where a dazzling array of handicrafts and authentic local snacks exude a rich Tianjin flavor. Come to Tianjin and embark on a unique journey,